This is Cleanse tyre cleaner. Now, you might find yourself asking, why do I need a tyre cleaner? What does a tyre cleaner do? Well, a tyre cleaner, in essence, prepares the tyre surface in preparation for your chosen tyre dressing. Now, we want that tyre surface to be as clean as possible. Without being as clean as possible, it's going to result in lesser durability and a poorer finish. So it's really important that we do use this product to get that tyre as clean as possible to give us the best results with our tyre dressing. So when we're applying the product, dead easy, we give the tyre wall good coverage of the product. We then reach for our tyre scrubbing brush and just watching the face of the wheels. We don't want to be getting the brush on the actual wheel itself, so watch out for that. Give the tyre wall a good scrub, and what you'll see is all this foam here turning this murky brown colour. That's just the product getting to work, removing all of that oil and grime off the tyre surface. So we've applied the product, we've scrubbed it with a tyre scrubbing brush, we've rinsed it off. We're now going to apply it again, give it another scrub, and what we should see now is the foam generated should be white colour. Now, the white colour shows us that there's no more grime, dirt, oil or old dressings left on the tyre wall, and it's perfectly clean, ready for your next application of tyre dressing.